You've just heard 3 kinds of laughter. Which one is not human?
Welcome. Listen to this next Agile Vocalist podcast.
What is the power of laughter to transform us? How does making the sound of laughter affect us? It feels involuntary, right? Ever find yourself curious about whether the animal kingdom has anything like it? Studies say, definitely, yes.
I first heard Frida laugh as part of a show called Metamorphosis. She was a vocalist on exhibit at San Francisco's 42-year-old Greg Angelo Museum, a living and interactive destination that brings artists and audiences together for immersive experiences. With her yellow eyes and sing-songy way of speaking, this rescued, yellow-naped Amazon parrot inspired me to come back a second time and try to connect with her through sound. Oh, wow. Hi. Hurry up. Oh, hurry up. Frida. Frida, 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 Frida. Oh, Frida.
Parrots' ability to mimic sounds around them comes from their natural habitat, rainforests, which are noisy from all the animal and insect life within them. For creatures like Frida, laughter as an imitated sound is how she's learned to connect with her people. She uses sound for connection. In this case, she's learned to laugh and make sounds like a woman.
Oh, wow. Hi. Hurry up. Oh, hurry up. Frida. Frida. Frida, 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 Frida.
Parrots rely on their family groups to identify food sources or convey warnings about predators. This has evolved into an ability to replicate things like the sound of dripping water, human speech, and more.
Parrots adapt to being pets by mimicking human voices and household sounds as communication with their flock. Parrots that talk in human words and sounds are exhibiting inquisitive and relaxed behavior.
You want to work on our breathing? Should we work on our breathing? You have such good technique. Such good technique. Such good technique. Oh, don't cry. Oh, I know. I know. I know. It's pretty wild. I know. It's really striking, isn't it? It's really striking, right? Yeah. Oh, look at your pretty feathers, honey. Yeah. You want to come down and see me? I'm right here. You want to come down and see me? You want to come down here? Hello? Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Hello.
Are you want to come down see me?
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
Hi, Frida.
Hi, Frida.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
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 Hi, Frida.
Hi, Frida.
How are you?
I'm good.
Hi. Hello.
Frida.
How are you doing?
Does it look all right? Does it look all right? Is it looking all right? Is it looking all right? Does it sound all right? You think we got a good sample? You're just an amazing speaker. You're an amazing speaker, an amazing breather. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Frida, I don't know
What?
what are gonna, okay.
Oh, should we get takeout? Should we get takeout, Frida? Should we get takeout? You like takeout? How about Thai? You like Thai? You like Thai? You like Thai? No? What do you think? You're all right? You all right with that?
UCLA researchers have found 65 species of animals have vocalizations or laughter sounds that they make when they play. But in parrots, the laughter is learned imitation from watching situations where they see their humans laughing in context.
Oh. Girl, you got a range. You got a range. Lady, you got a range. You got a big range.
How are you?
Can you do any Jim Morrison? Frida, can you do any Jim? Can you do any Jim
How are
Morrison?
you?
Can you do any Jim Morrison? You sound like my daughter. You sound just like Chloe.
Okay.
You sound just like Chloe.
How are you?
I don't know.
Hello.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Frida. Hi. We got pretty excited there, didn't we? We got pretty excited there, didn't we? Did we get excited? Oh, is that exciting? Oh, I'm not. You're in the dark? You're in the dark? You're all in the dark? Are you all in the dark? Really? Are you in the dark? Oh, honey, are you in the dark? Oh my goodness, I don't know. I don't know. Where did I put my keys? Frida,
Hello.
where are my keys? I don't know. It was a marvel to hear how Frida laughed, because the very tail end of it sounded close to my daughter's laugh. Coincidence? I'll never be sure. The first time we visited Frida, my daughter was with us.
At the Metamorphosis tour, I did laugh.
What?
4 times. Around Frida. I remember distinctly that I laughed about 4 times around Frida.
It takes a 13-year-old to work miracles on a script.
Through character-acted guides and introspective questions, Metamorphosis was intended to help attendees uncover their own transformational journeys. This celebration of parrots and their sound, especially Frida's remarkably human laugh, is a tribute to Frida's sound and the relationships between humans and parrots.
I'm gonna go.
Huh?
I'm gonna go.
Huh?
Turn around. Oh, turn around. Okay. Oh my goodness. 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 I don't know. Well, I'll call you back soon. I'll call you back soon. Okay.
That was inspiring. Agile Vocalist is created and produced by Rachel Medanik. Editing by Ben Kruger. Branding and design by Sasha Brandt.